Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2022 Chevrolet Silverado Custom Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 6.2 liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 2-inch factory lift, Goodyear Wrangler all-terrain tires, as well as tow hooks, skid plates, and so much more. Come check it out. All right, moving on to the interior, we're going to have these all-black doors with lots of extra storage on the bottom. You're going to have 2 cup holders here on the bottom as well. Speakers to go with it. You're going to have that chrome accent on the handle with the power locks, power mirrors, and power windows as well. You're going to have these black tubular side steps. Of course, now onto the seats. Just a classic 40-20-40 bench split seat. Here on the left, we're going to have our trailer control as well as our 2- and 4-wheel drive and our lighting controls as well. And onto the steering wheel on the left, we're going to have our cruise control as well as our forward collision alert. You're going to have this black Chevrolet badging and voice recognition and our odometer control. You can access your units as well as other driver information such as distance, fuel range, oil life, tire pressure, brake pad life, and other amenities as well. You're going to also have an auto locking rear differential. Here you're just going to have the classic truck shifter, actual key ignition. You're gonna have a Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as OnStar navigation, trailer lights, and as well as you can access your rear camera and your trailer hitch guidance as well. You're gonna have your climate control dual zone here as well. 2 USB ports. You're gonna have your trailer brake controller and 1 12-volt DC port as well. Here in the center console, you're gonna have the bench seat, lots of extra storage inside as well. Once you lift it up, you're gonna have the bench, and just to pull it down, find the lever, comes right back down. Passenger side's gonna have that same finish, manually adjustable bench split seat. You're gonna have speakers up top, the double glove box, as well as you can access your SOS and your OnStar services as well. So you're gonna have these blacked out 18-inch alloy wheels running on Goodyear Wrangler all-terrain tires. You're gonna have your Z71 badging with the black plastic mirror cap and door handles matched with the side steps as well. You're also gonna have a Trifold tonneau cover. Again, Trail Boss badging, as well as those corner steps in the dual exhaust. You're also going to have your trailer hitch and your 5th wheel just under. So you hit down, you move that tonneau cover up, you're going to have lots of extra tow hooks inside, as well as extra lamps. Very spacious rear. Moving on to the rear, it's going to have that same style, speakers on the bottom, cup holder and extra storage, just with the chrome accent and the power windows. And moving on to the seat, you're going to have storage behind under your seat, as well as you can lift them up. So you get in, you're just going to have rear ventilation, crew cabs. You're going to have lots of extra leg room. You're also going to have lamps up top and handles on the side, as well the foldable bench seat. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We had this quick review on this 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 6.2 liter V8 engine, as well as built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, standard 2-inch factory lift, as well as tubular side steps, all-terrain tires, locking rear differential, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.